This is a bold and a big statement coming in from the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, who has asserted that the world cannot exist without Hindus. He went on further warning that the world would cease to exist in the absence of Hindu society, underscoring the organization's view on the central role of Hindus that is played globally.
परिस्थिति का विचार तो सबको करना पड़ता है, लेकिन आप देखो परिस्थिति आती है और जाती है। देखो दुनिया में सब देशों पर तरह तरह की परिस्थिति आई गई, कुछ देश उसमें समाप्त हो गए। यूनान, मिस्र, रोमा सब मिट गए जहां से। कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी। तो भारत ये एक अमर समाज, अमर सिविलाइजेशन का नाम है। बाकी सब आए, चमके, चले गए, लेकिन इन सब के उदय और अस्त हम नहीं देखे और हम अभी भी है और रहेंगे, क्योंकि एक बेसिक नेटवर्क ऐसा हमने बनाया है अपने समाज का। उसके चलते हिंदू समाज रहेगा। हिंदू नहीं रहेगा तो दुनिया नहीं रहेगी, क्योंकि ये जो धर्म नाम की चीज है जिसका मैंने उल्लेख किया, समय समय पर उसको जीकर दुनिया को देना ये हिंदू समाज ही करेगा। उसका ये ईश्वर प्रदत्त कर्तव्य है।
Shivam is connected with us. Shivam, clearly, as far as the RSS chief is concerned, Mohan Bhagwat saying that Hindu is not merely a religious term, but it is a civilizational identity that is rooted in years of cultural continuity.
Exactly, Amita, and he has time and again reiterated the same fact that it is not just about one particular religion, but about the way of living. Now, speaking at this particular event, he said that everybody needs to think about the circumstances as well. He said, but you see, the circumstances have changed every year. And he also mentioned how other nations like Yunnan, which is Greece, and Misr, which is Egypt, and Rome, all civilization in the past have been perished from the face of the earth because they couldn't understand the circumstances, they couldn't adjust according to the circumstances. So RSS chief again now reiterating the same fact that when it comes to civilization, it keeps changing, it keeps adapting according to the same situation. He also said that there is something in our civilization that we are still here. Bharat, as he said, is the name of an immortal civilization according to him. And he also said that we have created a network in our society because of which the Hindu community will always be there. The world ceases to exist if Hindus cease to exist. So again, the RSS chief reiterating the same fact that there have been a lot of civilizations.
So Mohan Bhagwat saying that the RSS was not created to oppose or harm anyone, but to focus on character building and also to contribute, making India as a global leader, saying that the term Hindu is not merely a religious term, but it is a civilizational identity that is rooted in thousands of years of cultural continuity. With that, we head into a short break.